Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the faculty vacancies recruitment notification from the two different government colleges. So out of both these two, from one state university, the faculty recruitment notification is there, and from the another central government institute, a few non-teaching vacancies are there. Anyhow, both these two vacancies are regarding the postgraduates, either with UG Senate or without UG Senate. Here the opportunities are there, guys. And I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of job opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UG Senate exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UG Senate JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video. So the first one we are going to see here, it is Indian Academy of Sciences, CV Raman Avenue from Bengaluru. So engagement of assistant coordinator programs in Indian Academy of Sciences on contract basis. And the Indian Academy of Sciences is a professional autonomous body under the aegis of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So it is a central government institute, guys. And here the regular annual programs, just like the summer fellowship research program for teachers and students, summer schools for students, and the refresher courses for teachers and lecture workshops for students and teachers, all these things are organized and conducting by this institute. And the academy intends to engage an assistant coordinator on a short-term contract basis as per the details given below. And we checked on the period of engagement initially for 1 year. The engagement period may be extended at the discretion of the competent authority, subject to functional requirement, availability of funds, and performance appraisal. And the job location is in Bangalore itself. And coming to the eligibility criteria and experience, the essential qualifications are given here. A postgraduate in science or graduate degree in engineering from a recognized university with good academic record. So either PG is required or else the graduation degree is required. Any one of the thing is fine, guys, no problem. Okay, so if you're having the postgraduate degree in any one of the science stream or else the graduation degree in any one of the engineering stream, you can apply for this one. And at least 2 years of post-qualification supervisory and coordination experience in a government or semi-government or autonomous or the statutory body in implementing science education program, promotional programs or SNT based projects programs for societal development, and a familiarity with rules and regulations of Government of India, and a proficiency in English and Hindi is desirable. Good written and oral communication skills with functional knowledge of the computer usage. And age limit is 50 years. And coming to the responsibilities are given here, and monthly remuneration 50,000 rupees per month with no additional benefits, and it is a consolidated one. And how to apply is that interested candidates may submit their application as per the format in annexure at the following email. Okay, the last date for receipt of application is 20th August 2021, and the application received after due date will not be considered. Fine. So you please once visit the official website of the Indian Academy of Sciences, CV Raman Avenue website, and after entering into this website, then you will find out the application form for this one. So you have to submit the application form as per the given in the annexure, and then you have to send to this provided mail ID execsec@ias.ac.in. So on or before 20th August 2021. And coming to the next one is the State University Faculty Recruitment Notification that I want to show you. That is the Sri Vishwakarma Skill University, the State University under the Government of Haryana. And here the guest faculty positions are there. Coming to the subjects, electronics or mechatronics, mechanical, computer science, electrical, solar, in thermal and PV, CAD, CAT, AS, SolidWorks, robotics, GIS, dairy technology, environmental science, geography, physics, mathematics, English, healthcare, public health, hotel management, tourism management, management and HRM, finance, marketing, entrepreneurship, business analytics, sports, German language, agriculture science, chemistry and economics. Okay, so these are the departments, and here there is no application fee, guys. You have to fill up this Google form, and I will provide both the two links in the description box of this video. Okay, you may find out. Here also the last date for receiving the online application form is 20th August 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. And the eligible candidates with industry experience or vocational teaching experience shall be preferred. Okay. And the schedule of interviews will be published on the official university website itself. Okay. Individual information will not be sent by the university. And coming to the eligibility, I may check down for the engineering departments like mechanical, electrical, mechatronics, electronics, computer science, or engineering and food technology, BTech and MTech. Okay, so that's it. And with first class or equivalent in any one of the degree, first class is there, fine. And for solar and CAD and for robotics, some things are given here, so you may check down. Okay. And coming to the management, bachelor's degree and master's degree, fine. And 2 years of professional experience after acquiring the degree of master's degree. And coming to the chemistry, physics, English, mathematics, EVS, medical lab technology, economics, agriculture, science, geography, German language, history, political science, sociology, and psychology. PG with 55%, and along with that one, UGC NET or SLET or SET or CSI or NET qualification must be there. Okay, and hotel management, same guys. Minimum 4 years bachelor's degree in HMCT and master's degree also required. So if you're having both these two, then it's fine. You may apply for this one, guys. So here the total 3 different eligibility conditions are given. So you may check down. Fine. And yeah, coming to the health care, public health, PG with 55% and national eligibility test qualification. And yeah, so these are the points given here. So you please check down, guys, individual qualifications and all these things. Okay. And anyhow, I will provide all the necessary links, and here the few instructions are also mentioned here. There is a relaxation of 5% in the PG for SC or ST candidates. Okay, and the TADA is payable for attending the interview for the post. I mean, the TADA will not be provided to you. And in case the candidates are failed to bring the original certificates, yeah, just a minute, guys. Yeah, to bring the originals and attach the self-attested copies of testimonials, their application would not be considered and they will not be interviewed. So definitely you have to take the original certificates with you if they call for the interview. Fine. So total these are the notifications, guys. So one is from Sri Vishwakarma Skill University from Haryana, and second one is from Indian Academy of Sciences from Bengaluru. Okay. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here from Unacademy side, one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may close this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.